Okay, to get started, I'm going to use my beautiful peaches that I had picked up from Jackson's Orchard. I'm going to be making a peaches and cream cake today. Y'all stay tuned. I hope you like it. Okay, I'm going to take my peaches and I'm going to put them in my Ninja blender. First, I got to take a bite. I just love those peaches. Yummy, yummy. Okay, into my peaches, to help blend them up, I'm going to go ahead and add my 1/2 cup of buttermilk. This will help them blend up really well. And I'm going to go ahead and do my vanilla too. I'll add my vanilla. It's 1 tablespoon. Okay. Look how beautiful. That's so pretty. It's a beautiful color. It smells good too. Okay, to my softened cream cheese, I'm just going to kind of break it up a little bit. I'm going to add my cup of sweetener. I am using, you can use regular sugar too, or whatever kind of sugar you would like, but I am using this monk fruit sweetener. It's golden raw cane sugar replacement, and it's really good. It doesn't have that yucky aftertaste that a lot of the sugar substitutes have. So I just want to slowly mix this up. Kind of cream it together. I'm going to go ahead and add in my melted butter. I just love this little cast iron skillet for melting butter in, or even making like a single serve cornbread. It's really great. It's a great size. It's handy. Okay, now to this part, you want to add 2 eggs and just kind of lightly beat them a little bit. Add them. The cream cheese will be your cream part of the peaches and cream. Okay, right here I've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then I've got to add some salt. I want a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to use this pink Himalayan salt. And then I'm just going to stir it together, kind of mix it up a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to start alternating the dry ingredients. Mix it up a little bit. With this peach mixture. This is peaches, a half a cup of buttermilk, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. It's 4 peaches. Oh, it smells so good. So peachy. Then add some more of the flour mixture. Oh, I'm just going to do all of it. And then add the rest of the peach mixture. You don't want to overmix, just kind of mix until it's well blended together. I wish you all could smell this. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. Okay, I've got my loaf pan. I think it's 12 inches by like 3.5 inches. I just got these in from Amazon. I had ordered them. I got 2 in a pack. I really like it. Okay, now I'm gonna sprinkle. I had already sprayed it with butter spray. Now I'm gonna just sprinkle powdered sugar. I always like using powdered sugar on my cakes at the bottom or my breads instead of flour because it has a better taste than flour. Just makes sense. Just kind of well coat it. It is messy though. Okay. And then you just put your peach mixture in here. Spread it out. Okay, now it's time for the topping. Okay, for the topping, I'm going to be using a half a cup of all-purpose flour. And then to this, I'm going to add a half a cup of brown sugar, which I am using. You can use regular brown sugar, but I am using this Swerve brown sugar. So I'm going to put this in here with the flour. Just kind of mix it around a little bit. It's pretty good. It don't have that aftertaste either like the other stuff does. Okay, now to this I'm going to add my oatmeal. And my pecans, a half a cup of pecans and a half a cup of oatmeal. Half. And then a half a stick of butter, which I have right here. And you just want to make like a little crumble. this is what it will look like. It's like a little crumbles. Okay, now we want to take our cake and just sprinkle some of this on there over the top. Be generous with it because this will be good, so good. And if you have any of this left, if you don't want to use it all, you can always save it in the refrigerator and use it for different things. It's great on top of muffins. I'll bring you back. Ooh, look at that. Don't that look good? It smells so good. It bounces back. It ended up taking an hour in the oven at 350. I'm gonna let it cool for a while. There you have it. Homemade peaches and cream cake. Oh, it smells so good. Can't wait to try a piece. That looks so good and moist. Smells so good. Okay, now I'm gonna give it a try. Get some of the whipped cream and a peach. A bite of the cake. Oh my goodness, that's so good. You can't even tell it's sugar, that it don't have any added sugar in it. I can have another bite. That is delicious. If you have any peaches lying around, just give this a cake a try. It's delicious. Thank you.